In this video, I'm going to show you how to download past returns filed with TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, sign in to your TurboTax account, and then over here on the left, you want to click on Tax Home. And then you want to scroll to the very bottom where you can see your tax returns and documents. So just click on that. And over here, of course, I haven't filed with this account, just a test account for YouTube in the previous years, but you'll be able to see different years. So 2022, 2023, 2024, etc. So the years when you filed with your TurboTax account. And after that, you'll be able to click on the year. And from there, it will show you all the available downloads. You'll simply have to click on the download. And then just like that, it will get downloaded to your computer, so your past return will be available to you on your computer as well, not only on TurboTax Online. But what you have to do is actually make sure you are signed in with the same account that you used the previous years when you actually filed those returns. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.